Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another Tamco product premiere. Today we've got a lot of products to show off. My name's Anthony Moorhead, Commercial Director of Lighting.
And I'm Max Johnson, Commercial Director of Electrical. So, Anthony, we've got a whole lot of landscape lighting here. Care to share about it?
Yeah, absolutely. This is the new landscape range from Commercial Outdoor. What we've tried to do here is offer a lot of landscape lighting that people are used to seeing, but then offering some more modern twists to the range as well. So the first and the start of the project is probably our new digital transformer. This packs a lot of punches. It's got an external photocell, which you can just plug into the bottom of the transformer. And what's really nice about this is if you need to install the transformer on one side of the wall, but maybe mount the photocell somewhere a lot further away that can capture the light or the lack of light, then we have that option for you. Plus, the digital timer makes it very easy to install and set the timer on your new landscape range.
Very cool.
So we've also got our step light. Again, this is probably more of the traditional side of the range. This step light is what people have just been used to seeing for the last few years. But sometimes it's those classics that just work, and we've stayed true to that market.
Right, what's great about that is that, if you've got an existing application where they're retrofitting, and replacing, burnout units or whatever, you're not going to depart from what already is there. It's going to fall right in.
Yeah, so this will be great for retrofits and new installation. We've also got our bullet floods. Again, this bullet flood is kind of just that classic look that people have been used to seeing for so long. If it's not broke, don't fix it. That's what we believe. So on this side of the range, we've also got our new optic controllable fixtures. So what's really nice about this well light is if we take off the faceplate, we give you a tool inside the kit where you can change the optics on this fixture from 15 to 60 degrees.
Wow.
Yeah. And then on our path light, again, very classic look. However, the one big change that we've made to this fixture is inside the unit, there's like a circular coupling. And if you twist that, you can change it from a very narrow beam spread to a wide beam spread. Again, offering the customer versatility in the field. And if that wasn't enough, what we've also tried to do is give you both the classic look and now a more modern look. So this unit is very sleek, but what it does is it pushes the light rather than straight down, out along the path. So again, it's trying to make that light that you do have more useful for the application. Really nice. And within our path lights and our floodlights, what we try and do is give you this stake light within the kit. So again, whether you use the junction box covers or the stake light, just very easy to use.
Sure.
But Max, this is the lights. So now we've discussed the lighting range. What have you got for us?
Well, that's what I think is so great here is that, we're within Tamco, we're able to provide a whole solution here. So, you've covered the lighting, but, how are we going to connect that up, right? So, I want to highlight RPP's range of landscape cable. So it's available in 10 gauge, 12 gauge, and 14 gauge, 100 and 500 foot reels. It's all UL listed for direct burial applications. And one really nice feature of it, it's obviously all, UV protected and everything like that, so it's going to last. But it's a flat cable design so that the conductors are easy to separate when you're ready for installation. But that's not all. So we've got the cable to wire up the landscape lighting, but how do we make the connection, right? And that's where our newest product comes into play, the F4P waterproof wire connectors.
So Max, what's the difference between these wire connectors and your standard connectors?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. So these ones, like any other nut, it's about what's inside, right? So these are pre-filled with a silicone sealant, and that keeps out the moisture, dirt, really anything that's going to interrupt or corrode your connection. And that allows these guys to be UL listed 487D for direct burial applications. So now you've got a complete setup here within Tamco products. So you've got the lighting, you've got the cable, and you even have the connector to make this all direct burial rated and all kosher.
Max, thanks for taking the time out today to teach us about all your new products.
Yeah, Anthony, I think it's just awesome that we're able to do this entire application within Tamco products now.
Absolutely. Everybody, thanks for watching today. Please feel free to hit the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.
Take it easy.